Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where innovation meets possibility. Today, we delve into the diverse landscape of AI types and their remarkable applications. Let's start our journey by exploring narrow AI, designed for specific tasks without independent learning abilities. It's the foundation of many AI applications we interact with daily. Moving on to artificial general intelligence, the realm where AI learns, thinks, and performs, akin to humans. Imagine the endless possibilities of a truly intelligent machine. Enter the realm of artificial superintelligence, where AI surpasses human capabilities, sparking both awe and speculation about the future of technology. Now, let's explore reactive machine AI, reacting in real time without memory storage, and limited memory AI, learning from past data to enhance future actions. Theory of mind AI introduces emotional intelligence to machines, a significant step towards understanding human emotions and interactions. Lastly, we explore self-aware AI, the pinnacle of AI development with self-recognition and human-level intelligence, a glimpse into the future of sentient machines. In conclusion, the world of AI is vast and evolving, offering endless possibilities and challenges. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the future of artificial intelligence.